Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine now? Yeah. All are sending the answers to the WhatsApp group. Wait, I will see. Okay. So, all of you listen the carefully. The topic what I taught to you and see that and write the answers for that. Okay. So, before class, yesterday what we discussed about the external body parts. What is that external body parts? Yeah, I told about the arms and legs. Next, I told about the internal body parts which are present inside. No. Then I told about the bones and muscles. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the sense organs. So what we are going to discuss? Yeah, about the sense organs. Sense organs. Without these, there is no life to us. Simply we are saying no. Yeah, what we know? We can enjoy the nature, everything with the help of our sense organs. Those are the windows of our body. Those are windows of our body. Okay. Now, these sense organs are present inside or outside? Yeah, outside. So, example for sense organs are example for, yeah, external parts. External parts. Sense organs are example for external parts. Okay. So, what are the sense organs? How many are there? 5 sense organs. Then what are that? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay, so what are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. 5 sense organs. Okay. Then eyes help us to see. Nose help us to smell. Ears help us to hear. Tongue help us to taste and to talk. Skin help us to feel and to touch. Okay. So these are the uses of 5 sense organs and their functions. Okay. Next, in detail, we will discuss about the organ first. Eyes. We will discuss about the eyes. So first organ, sense organ is nothing but eyes. Okay, eyes help us to, this is the window of the world. With the help of eyes, we can see the world. We can enjoy the nature. Okay, so with the help of the eyes. Okay, so we will see different colors, different shapes, different things in present in our surroundings with the help of our eyes. Okay, so when we take the eyes, no, eyes consist of, these are present, no, what these are called? Eyelids. Eyes are covered with the eyelids. We can close our eyes with the help of eyelids. Okay, so do you know lid? So for any germs are falling on our food particles, what our mother will do? She is covering with the lid. So same like that, our eyelids are, if any means dust. Okay, when the dust is coming, automatically we are closing our eyelids. Okay, protective from the any sunlight. Okay, so if the sunlight, we are not opening wide in the sunlight. Okay, just we are closing in the dark light, no problem. Okay, when the sun shines, then automatically we are closing our eyelids. Okay, so eyelids are giving protection to the eyes, eyeballs. Okay, then eyelashes. Eyelashes. Do you know eyelashes? Yeah. Eyelids are hair-like structures are present now. Those are called eyelashes. These eyelashes are protect the eyes from dust. Protect eyelashes are protecting from the dust. From the dust. Eyelashes are protecting the eyes from the dust. Okay, then when we take the eyes, no, different people have different color and shape. Eyes and eyes shape and color are vary from different persons. Eye, color of the eye, okay, color of the eye, and again shape of the eye. Color of the eye, shape of the eye are vary from different people. Okay, so that is about the eyes. Next we will discuss about the ears. Eyes over. Next we will discuss about the ears. Ears. Second sense organ is ears. Okay, where ears are present? Both side of the head, ears are present now. Then, what is the use of our ears? Ears, we can hear the various sounds. Ears help us to listen the various sounds. Okay, then the ear is divided. What are the parts are present in the ear now? Ear is divided into 3 parts. Ear is divided into 3 parts. So, first one is inner ear. Second one is outer ear. Okay, so first we will write down in order, no? First inner ear, next middle ear.
6 minutes.
Inner ear, middle ear, and the third one is outer ear. Okay, 3 parts of the ear is nothing but inner, middle and outer ear. Okay, next. In inner ear, for example, I am teaching lesson to you now. So when you are in the classroom, when I am saying that, if you are sitting in the back bench also, you are hearing my sounds, no? Why you are hearing my sound? With the help of the, ear, air is present now. So the sound waves are, means those are transport to the ear with the help of the ear. My sound waves are just go through in the ear and reaching your first outer ear, next middle ear, inner ear. Okay, in the inner ear, eardrum is present. So when the sound waves are touches to your eardrum, automatically it is vibrating. Then you know the sound of that. Okay, so like that, sound waves are traveling in the air. If there is no air, we are not hear the sounds properly. In the space also, there is no air, no? So who are going there and who are talking, no, they cannot listen the voice of other people because air is absent. So air is must and should to listen the sounds. Okay, so that is about the ears. Now I am going to give, every day I am giving after completing the topic, no, giving some question answers to you, no. So be careful, write the answers properly. I am daily saying, no, so what I am saying? So after when you are writing the questions, if you have doubt, just go forward and see that, watch the video again properly and you should answer for that. Okay, listen. So what is my first question is, first question. Yeah, very easy one. I explained before, no? Name the three parts of the ear. Just now, parts of the ear. Very easy question now. Name the 3 parts of the ear. You know answer? Yeah, very easy one. Next, listen. Second one is the dash. This is the question answer and this is where I put the blank now. What does it mean? It is the fill in the blank. Okay, listen. The dash protect. The dash protect the eyes. The eyes from dust. The dash protect the eyes from dust. Okay, next. Here today I am giving matching to you. Okay, you should match. Easy matching. Listen. So first one, eyes. Second one skin. Third one tongue. Fourth one nose. Fifth one ears. Okay, so you should match according to the functions. So what is that? Smell. Smell. Next, see. Next, touch. Next, hear. Next, taste. Okay, so these are your questions. Once again listen. Name the three parts of the ear. Second one, fill in the blank. The dash protect the eyes from dust. Next, matching. So here I have given the sense organs and this side I given the what is the functions of sense organ, use of sense organs. Eyes, skin, tongue, nose, ears. Next, smell, see, touch, hear, taste. Okay, so this is matching. Match it well. Okay, so that is about today's topic, sense organs. In that I mentioned only eyes and ears. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can move the video forward and write the answers properly. Okay, then we can meet in the next class. Okay, till that, goodbye children.